Good evening friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of the SNL Bearing Company Limited. You can see on the screen the company's website. Company is dealing the bearing and providing to the automobile industries. Okay, you can see the company is promoted by the NRB Bearing Limited. Okay, and providing and manufacturing and providing the business services to the big company like Bajaj, LML, Kinetic Energy, Maruti, Tata Motors. Okay, very good company. So let's see more fundamental here. Just go into the first chart of the company. You can see the 5-year chart of the company, how it was moving till 2018. The higher side is 450 rupees, and after that the down was happening. In 2020 company's price was 100 rupees. Now after that company is moving upward direction slowly because the lockdown is opening. Okay, and after that you can see the delivery of the company here. The company's delivery is 70 to 80%, which is very good sign here. Okay, now going to the update, company is paying consistent dividend. You can see on the screen that. Okay, you can also read the announcement and news recent one. Going to the technical, you can see the technicals are neutral, but check with your technical advisor before buying any stocks. Now going to the performance here, the company's performance of 5 years 16%, but 1 year is 100%. Very good sign here. Now going to the fundamental more, company's automobile ancillary company, bearing company. Okay, now you can see the website of the company, SNL Bearing. After that you can see that price of the company is 254, market cap 90 crore, micro cap company. Price EPS, you can see EPS is 24.6, P is 10.21, industry P 49.15, book value 119, price to book value 2.11, dividend in 1.7 and 0.36, face value 10. Very good sign here for the company. You can see the quarterly result, how the company is growing their quarterly result, 2 crore to 10 crore now. Okay, very good sign. After maintaining 90 to 20% margin, company is creating the EBITDA of 2 crore to 2.7 crore. Interest reducing very exponentially, and after that company making the PAT of 1 crore to 2 crore as well, and net profit is also 1 crore to 2 crore. Very good sign. You can see the annual return, annual sales of the companies. You can see how companies growing their sales, which is very good sign. The company is growing their sales from 23 crore to 40 crore since 2000 till 2019, and after that downturn happened. But this time this kind of downturn is giving good opportunity for buying in the stock. Okay, and you can see the EBITDA, how company's EBITDA is also maintained by the company to 20 to 19%. Very good sign. Interest, company is paying very low interest, which is making good balance sheet for the company. And maintaining the nice net profit is 6% is still very good sign. You can see the how companies EBITDA margin, you can see 19%. Earlier it was maintained 20 to 27%. Very good sign. I think company will again maintain good margin in the coming days. Book value per share, you can see how company's book value is growing from 40 rupees to 96 rupees. Very good sign. You can see here that the particular dividend working capital also basically is something negative side, 170 to 159, and I think this particular working capital will be improved in the coming days. After you can see the return ratio, return on equity, you can see just 12 rupees, return on capital 15%, return on equity 12%, return on capital 15%, and return on asset, return on asset you can see 8.19. Okay, after that you can see the more chart of the company. You can see here, and then go to the balance sheet. You can see the one of the positive sign, company's share capital is reducing. Okay, but reserve is growing. When you click on this one, you can see the reserve, how company's reserve is growing, which is very good sign for the company. Okay, non-current liability just 12 crore, current liability is just 6 crore. But if you compare with the non-current asset 25 and current asset 28, if you see, click on the plus sign in the current asset, cash in bank, the company is having 3 crore cash in bank. Short-term investment also improving, inventory is also improving. Very good sign for the company. After maintaining net sales and after reducing the expenditure, EBITDA, interest, depreciation and taxes, and company is still maintaining the 8 to 4 crore of profit. Maintaining healthy cash for the small micro cap company. This cash flow is very good. You can see the promoter pattern here. Promoter is never losing their single equity, holding tightly in this company, 74 5.39. Public is also, see, FI reducing but no issue at all. Non-institution is improving their position. You can see the promoter holding here. Who is the promoter? You can read NRB Bearing holding 73%. Very good sign. Board of directors, you can read about. Mutual fund is not holding. As you can see a scan, you can read about. Fundamental is that company increasing their quarterly sales, consistently dividend paying company. Okay, so hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of the company SNL Bearings Ltd. Always check your advisor before buying any stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.